you also learn Guzheng like this? Find Guzheng music sheets online, watch the tutorial videos, and play along with it. After years of learning, you play one piece after another, and it seems that you know everything. The techniques, notes, fingering, and rhythm are all in place. But it always sounds wrong. The notes are played correctly and the rhythm is right, but it just doesn't sound good. You don't know how to make it better and wonder you have no talent. I totally understand your feeling, especially for self-learners. The most difficult thing is not whether you can play, but that no one tells you how to listen and teaches you how to play good music. Have you heard of musicality? What is it? Is it expression, emotion, feeling, or technique? Musicality is the layers, tone, melody lines, timbre, breath between notes, sounds behind notes, flow of tension, and so on. If no one teaches you to hear this, no matter how much you practice, you will still be stuck in the fog of, I know it's not good, but I don't know how to make it better. Music is something hidden behind the sound. The first step to being musical is to learn to listen to the sound behind each note. That is, the sound between the notes. When you are willing to calm down and listen to all the sounds, you can play out the tranquility and know what the music wants to say. My course is designed for people like you who are willing to learn on their own but are eager to understand musicality more deeply and playing Guzheng more beautifully. Starting from Chinese-style pop music, digging into the underlying logic of musicality, using the music you are familiar with. Not only teach you how to play correctly, but also to feel the music. Build an understanding of musicality and open up the most core abilities. You will learn how to disassemble phrases, analyze structures, integrate music and the body, how to speak with music in simple details, and your performance will begin to have a completely different flavor. It is no longer just playing notes, but speaking the language of music. This change is not an improvement in skills, but an opening of the senses. This musical expression ability does not require talent or years of hard practice. Any level of Guzheng learner can develop it. Musicality is not an unattainable talent. It is an ability that can be understood and guided. Your change starts with how your teacher teaches you. I am teacher Cathy. Let me accompany you to start from Chinese pop music and play moving Guzheng music together. Please leave a message +1 or email to sign up for the course. Hope to see you in class.